Parkinson's is a brain disease, and it's nasty. Millions of people have it. It makes you shake, it makes you fall over, it makes you freeze, it makes you lose focus, it makes it hard to concentrate. It can even make you clinically depressed. Eventually, it makes it impossible to walk, or talk, or breathe. We have things in our brains called neurons. Neurons make chemicals that make our bodies work. A chemical called dopamine makes us move. Dopamine also makes us concentrate. Parkinson's disease kills the neurons that make dopamine. In the olden days, Parkinson's was treated with bed rest. That made it worse. In the 60s, a drug called levodopa was invented. That made it better. But over time, the drug loses effectiveness, and the Parkinson's gets worse. Putting electrodes in the brain can make it better. That's called deep brain stimulation, or DBS. But that's brain surgery, kind of a big deal. And it's also temporary. But now, some doctors, clinicians, and really smart scientists figured out how to make dopamine-producing neurons and put those neurons into the brains of the people with Parkinson's. The neurons come from the patient's own skin cells, so they won't be rejected. The really smart guy who invented this won the Nobel Prize in 2012. This research is about to go into the first 8 patients. But it will help millions of people, not just with Parkinson's, but with all sorts of brain diseases, like MS or Alzheimer's. The project has been privately funded so far by climbing mountains, having parties, taking walks, and lots of other things. Now we need a few more $1 million to make more neurons and transplant the neurons into the patient's brains. Help us help everyone. Support cell therapy for Parkinson's. It's a good thing.